For those of you who wanted to know, no, this isn't Siberia. It's 9th Avenue. Little hello from Hell's Kitchen hot sauce. You could really use something spicy on a cold day like this. And what better way to warm up than with some West Side Red, some habanero mango salvation, a little retro jalapeno, or maybe a little undercover lover, or get punched in the face with a little cinnamon ghost punch. Gotta make it happen, because life's too short to eat bland food. West Side represent, Hell's Kitchen hot sauce, the perfect balance of heat and flavor. Stay safe, everybody.